past the corner where we used to fight. Every shadow whispers your name at night. The coffee still tastes bitter in my cup, like every little memory I can't give up. I thought I healed, thought I moved along, but the same old cracks keep proving me wrong. Every time I try to stand, I fall again, like your ghost lives inside my skin. I keep breaking in the same places, hitting the scars I thought I erased. Every love song feels like it knows my pain, pulls me back to you again and again. I tell myself I'm stronger than yesterday's traces, but I keep breaking in the same places. Your laugh lingers where the sunlight hits. Every corner of this house still fits. I rearrange the furniture, try to start new, but the echoes still lead me right back to you. I tell my friends I'm okay, I'm fine, but they don't see how I cross the line. Every time I breathe, I feel it crack, like loving you left me unfinished, half-packed. I keep breaking in the same places, walking the roads we swore we'd chase. Every photo, every song, every trace turns my heart into a familiar space. I tell myself I'm stronger than yesterday's faces, but I keep breaking in the same places. Maybe one day the cracks will close. Maybe I'll learn to let you go. But for now I'm caught in this loop of pain, falling for the same heartache again. I keep breaking in the same places, learning the weight of empty embraces. I'll keep trying to stitch what's torn inside, even if it takes 1,000 tries. I tell myself I'll survive what it traces, but I keep breaking in the same places. The night is quiet but the pain stays. I keep breaking in the same places. Concrete walls, street lights flicker. We don't need rules tonight, just freedom. Yeah. City breathing, me on hands alive. High-rise shadows where our hearts collide. No chains, no labels, no cage, just two souls writing love on the page. Sidewalks rough, but your hands smooth. Every glance saying I choose you. I don't need rings or sign percent, just loyalty, passion, and your presence. There's life around us, we stay slow, corner to corner, letting feelings grow. Street vendors, late night taxis pass, but we in our own world, nothing else has. No expectations, just energy. You touch me, set the vibe free. Every heartbeat sinking a street. Our love alive where the city breathes. Free love in concrete jungles. No rules, no cages, no struggles. Every touch, every glance, we still raw hearts that the city can't conceal. Free love in concrete jungles. Moonlight paints us in doubles, from alleyways to rooftops high. Free love, just you and I. I've been burned by the glitter scenes, fake smiles, hollow diamonds, broken dreams. But you don't play, you stay real. Every movement, every whisper I feel. Skyscrapers tall, but I live taller. When you close in, the world gets smaller. I don't need a car to witness this, just a cityscape frame and I'm bliss. Late night corners, hand in hand, we write a story in the sand. Concrete jungles, but hearts untamed. No boundaries, no one to blame. Every shadow has a secret thrill. I love to allow to ever be still. No clock, no plan, no guarantee, just freedom in how you touch me. Free love in concrete jungles. No rules, no cages, no struggles. Every touch, every glance, we instill raw hearts that the city can't conceal. mission. Maybe hit thrives in a mission. Fast life, but we take it slow. Every kiss like we're letting go. No possession, just devotion. Our rhythm is our only notion. If the world tryna break what we made, we just hide in the shade. Street flows, witness our wish, the sidewalk cracks, hold our laughter. I've been told love, gotta be tame, but with you it's wild. I'm plain, taxi like flirts in our eyes. Fast like moves, but we hypnotize. Steady post that goes every side. Concrete jaw's cradle, you and I. Free love in concrete jungle. No cages, no struggles. Every touch, every glance we steal. Roars that the city can't conceal. Free love in concrete jungles. Ain't like paints us in doubles. From alleyway to rooftops high. Free love, just you and us. Concrete walls. Stay free. The room feels lighter somehow when you're around. Like the walls learn how to listen and the noise calmed down. Every thought was racing, now it's falling in line. The world doesn't feel so heavy when your hand finds mine. No pressure in the silence we keep. Just a rhythm I don't have to fight or beat. It's easy breathing next to you, like I finally slow my mind. Every worry fades a little, every moment feels kind. I don't need the perfect words or reason to stay. It's easy breathing next to you in the simplest way. Streetlights hung outside like they're in on the truth. That peace can feel it's natural when I'm close to you. We don't fill every second with something to say. Some connections feel strongest when they're quiet that way. No fear hiding in between, just a comfort I didn't know I needed. It's easy breathing next to you, like the air knows my name. Every heartbeat finds its place, nothing feels out of frame. I don't need the future mapped or the past to explain. It's easy breathing next to you, and that's more than enough for me. If the world starts spinning fast and the nights feel long and loud, I'll remember how it feels when everything slows down. It's easy breathing next to you, even when the lights are low. Like my chest remembers how to rise and fall on its own. No big promises to prove, no lines I have to choose. It's easy breathing next to you, and I don't wanna lose that truth. Right here, nothing to do, just easy breathing next to you. Fast cars, slow hands, yeah. We're moving different tonight. Fast like got the city on repeat. Red lights flashing like they're chasing me. Money talks loud, but I walk quiet. Body language say more when I'm silent. You see the glow when I stepped inside. Diamonds dance but my eyes don't lie. I've been running from the rush all day. Now your touch make time slow down. Wait, high speed dreams, low tone up. Whole world loud but we hush us. I've been built up, city made me. But you move slow, that's how you save me. Yeah, yeah. Every move deliberate, intentional. Your hands speaking in syllables. No rush, don't need to explain. I feel everything you don't say. Fast life, slow body talk. Heartbeat sing when the bass drops off. No words, just the way you move. Every turn saying what miles won't do. Fast life, slow body talk. All this heat in the after dark. We don't race, we let it crawl. Fast life, slow body talk. Street lights blur through the tinted glass. Past flying by, I don't look back. You read my mood like bread on skin. Every pause pull me deeper in. I don't need fame in my face tonight. Just your fingers drawing lines, judge right. Everybody chasing instant love. We taking time, that's dangerous stuff. I don't lose speed, don't mean control. Some feelings better when they unfold. Your breath heavy, my name slow. Like you saying it in italic time. Clock still ticking, but we don't mind. This moment thick like molasses time. No pressure, no performance. Just presence, pure importance, yeah. Slow body talk, lights low, tension walking. No script, just intuition. Skin speak, think fluent addiction. Nobody talk, every move intentional. Raw. We don't rush, we let it fall. Fast life, slow body talk. Maybe life's supposed to move like that. Not loud, loud rush, just intimate. It's a monarch ain't on the door. Tell it we ain't ready for more. I don't need for living way now. Just honest thinking like you judge me down. But wrong moving back outside. You gon' stay slow on your side. Jet stick stain on your collarbone. Poof this moment, ours alone, city buzzing. But I tuned it out, your hands, the only sound loud again. But you ran up by fans' attention. Weak, high, short-lived connections. But you look at me like I'm a gift. Like every second it to exist. That's your body talk. Every silence steaming harder than talk. No rush, don't need to stop. We let the night say all. That's your body talk. And I read through and I fall. While moving fast, let it walk. Fast life, slow body talk. Slow down. I'm right here. Midnight, city breathing slow. Phones on silent, hearts on loud. Yeah. Neon dripping off the windows downtown. Black top shining when we spin back around. He say my name like a secret code. I bite my lip, let the tension grow. No fairy tales, no picket fence. Just raw desire and common sense. I don't need vows in a diamond tone. Just real love when the lights stay low. Let the seas keep rising fast. Past don't matter, future can't wait. We ain't lost, just off the map. Found something real in a moment like that. I've been boxed in by rules before. Tonight I kick every lock off the door. Clock keep ticking but we don't care. Every touch say stay right here. No lines, no fear, no doubt. Just your hands pulling me closer now. No rules, just midnight love. City quiet, body speak of no claims. No strings, no lies. Just two hearts in the aftertime. No rules, just midnight love. No rules, just midnight love. Go like kissing on my best skin. Your breath heavy when you lean in. Street taught me how to stay tough, but you touch me soft, that's dangerous love. We don't pose, we don't prove. We let the moment make the move. Everybody wanna label things. I just wanna feel everything. Your eyes talk louder than your phone. Every look say you're not alone. If loving free is a crime tonight, then baby let the city testify. Heartbeat sinking with the bass. Your hands memorizing my ways. No tomorrow when you stare. Just now, just heat, just said no rules, just midnight love. Dark skies watching from above, no cage, no why, no because just truth in the way we touch. No rules, just midnight love. Slow grind till we lose the rush. No plans, no makeup, no front, no rules, just midnight love. If the sunrise, let it find us later. Right now, I don't need no savior. Your name tastes sweet on my tongue, like a song only played after one. No ownership, no demand, just loyalty written in hands. If this night all we ever get, then I'ma feel every second of it. Lipstick mark on your collarbone, proof we made this moment our own. Sirens fall, world on pause, just us breaking invisible laws. I don't need forever promises, just honesty when the clock is 6. If you leave, leave me warm inside, knowing this love was real tonight. No rules, just midnight love. Every touch say enough is enough. No chains, no fear, no bluff, just souls colliding in the dark hush. No rules, just midnight love. Moonlight watching while we trust. No past, no future to judge. No rules, just midnight love. When the sun comes up, we'll see. You never raised your voice when you pulled away, just left long pauses where words should have stayed. I waited on answers you never gave, read between lines you wouldn't say. You said I'm fine like it was true, guess that's the first thing I learned from you. Every question died on your tongue, every fight we never won. I learned silence